and there will be certain wholesalers or even manufacturers too, they do not provide GST bill. In such cases, we have no other way, but always we need to remember that whatever we sell online, a particular HSN code has to be provided for that particular product, and once that is done, definitely the applicable GST must be collected from the buyer, and it is a duty of the e-commerce seller to pay it to the government. So that is the rule. And in such situations, getting a GST bill is very important.